So what do hardcore snorers really sound like? If you're not a hardcore snorer, if you don't saw lumber while you slumber, then don't watch this commercial. Instead of her shaking, kicking, and begging you to be quiet, now you can. Introducing Be Quiet, the safe, effective way to sleep the night away. When worn at night, Be Quiet helps reduce the snore so you can sleep more.
Be Quiet definitely helped us get a peaceful night's rest. He was quiet. I got to sleep easy.
You know what they say, happy wife, happy life? Well, since I've been trying to be quiet, I don't snore anymore.
And I'm a happy wife.
Come to think of it, you did make me breakfast.
Yeah, I did.
Be Quiet will help you experience increased intimacy, promote family harmony, and most importantly, help you develop